एक्सेलेंसी, आप भी भली भांति जानते हैं और पूरा विश्व भी जानता है कि युद्ध के समय हमने दो प्रकार की भूमिकाओं का रास्ता अपनाया।
Your Excellency, you are well aware and the entire world knows that regarding the war, India has had a twofold role in all of the situation and we have tried to our best to fulfill our role. First is regarding from the humanitarian perspective. In the time of crisis, there are several types of requirements that the people of Ukraine needed, and to fulfill those requirements, we adopted a humanitarian point of view, and we tried our best to make those demands and requirements fulfilled. And I can assure you that in the future as well, going ahead from this humanitarian point of view, we will always stand with you, and you will find us two steps ahead.
भारत हमेशा हमेशा आपके साथ खड़ा रहेगा और दो कदम आगे चलेगा। एक्सेलेंसी, हमने जो दूसरा मार्ग चुना वो दूसरा मार्ग है युद्ध से दूर रहने का।
Your Excellency, the second aspect of our role has been to stay away from the war. But it is with full conviction that we stayed away from the war, but it never meant that we were just an indifferent bystander. We never adopted that role. We were never neutral, and we had a side right from the first day. Our side was peace. Excellency, I come from the land of Buddha, and in my land there is no place for war. I come from the land of Mahatma Gandhi, who showed the path of peace to the entire world.
हम महात्मा गांधी की धरती से आते हैं जिसने पूरे विश्व को शांति का संदेश दिया है। एक्सेलेंसी, मैं आज जब यूक्रेन आया हूं तब मैं 140
Excellency, today when I've come to Ukraine, I have come with the feelings and sentiments of 1.4 billion people of India, and their sentiments are inspired by humanity. So coming to the land of Ukraine, I have come with the message of peace.
शांति का संदेश लेकर के आया।
Your Excellency, a few days ago, I hosted the third Voice of Global South Summit, in which 120 countries participated. So on behalf of those countries of Global South as well, I have come with the message of peace. Your Excellency, you well understand and are aware that as far as the peace is concerned, India has made its proactive contribution towards that. And you're also aware that our approach has been people-centric. And I want to tell you and the entire world, this is our conviction and our commitment, and we say it very loudly and clearly. The message is that we respect we support the respect for sovereignty and territorial integrity. This is of utmost priority to us.
हम उसका समर्थन करते हैं। कुछ समय पहले समरकंद में जब राष्ट्रपति
2 years ago in Samarkand, when I had met President Putin, I had told him, looking into his eye in front of the media, that this is not the era of war.
मैं पिछले दिनों रशिया की मुलाकात के लिए गया था। वहां भी मैंने साफ शब्दों में अपनी बात कही है कि किसी भी
And last month as well, when I visited Russia to meet President Putin, I told him very clearly that problems cannot be resolved on the battlefield. The only way of resolving problems is through dialogue and through diplomacy, and that without losing any further time, we should move towards that direction.
बिना समय गंवाए उस दिशा में आगे बढ़ना चाहिए। दोनों पक्षों को
Both sides will have to sit together and to look for ways to come out of this crisis.
रास्ते तलाशने होंगे। एक्सेलेंसी, आज हम जब रूबरू मिल रहे हैं तब
Your Excellency, today we are meeting in person, and I have come to the land of Ukraine, and I have just visited a memorial dedicated to the children who were martyred in the war, and my heart is filled with emotions and sentiments. So today I would like to have an in-depth discussion with you on the way forward towards peaceful resolution.
विशेष रूप से चर्चा करना चाहूँगा। एक्सेलेंसी, मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाना चाहता हूँ कि शांति के हर
Your Excellency, I assure you that for all those efforts being made towards peace, India is ready to make its proactive contribution, and I personally, as a friend, if there is any role that I can play, I would very much like to play that role towards peaceful resolution.
जरूर करना चाहूँगा। एक मित्र के रूप में मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाता हूँ। एक्सेलेंसी, मैं आज जब आया हूँ, कल नेशनल डे,
Your Excellency, I have come on the eve of your National Day, and therefore I would like that all of us work towards early restoration of peace, and India will be ready to make its proactive contribution towards that objective. And once again, I convey my heartfelt gratitude to you for the warm welcome extended to me.
आपके स्वागत सत्कार के लिए मैं हृदय से आपका बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ।
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने कहा कि भारत शांति के लिए हर संभव प्रयास कर रहा है। सबसे पहले प्रधानमंत्री ने ये कहा कि किसी भी युद्ध में सबसे पहले शिकार सच होता है। आज प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी राष्ट्रपति ज़ेलेंस्की के साथ उस स्मारक पर गए थे जो शहीद हुए बच्चों के लिए बनाया गया है, जिनकी शहादत हुई है इस युद्ध में। प्रधानमंत्री ने ये भी कहा कि किसी भी सभ्य समाज को, कोई भी समाज जो मानवता में विश्वास करता है, वो इस तरह की विभीषिका में बच्चों के इस तरह से खत्म होने को स्वीकार नहीं कर सकता। इसे भी किसी भी स्तर पर स्वीकार नहीं किया जा सकता। क्या कुछ और कहा प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने, आइए आपको सुनवाते हैं।
एक्सेलेंसी, हम लंबे समय से एक बात सुनते हैं कि युद्ध की सबसे पहली कैजुअलिटी ट्रूथ होता है, लेकिन जब आज मैं उन बालकों की स्मृति में बनाए हुए म्यूजियम को आपके साथ जाकर के अपने श्रद्धा सुमन अर्पित कर रहा था।
Your Excellency, we've been talking about the war which has been going on for a long time, and the first casualty of the war is truth. Today, when I had an occasion to pay my respects to the children who had lost their lives, and I went to the memorial which was constructed in their memory along with you, my heart was filled with emotions, and my heart felt a great sense of grief. And the casualty of truth is because of the death of innocent children, and it's very painful.